Justin Drew Bieber was born on March 1, 1994 in London, Ontario, Canada. He grew up in the small city of Stratford, raised primarily by his mother, Patty Millett. His early years were simple, filled with music, sports, and a sense of curiosity that would one day take him far beyond his hometown. From a young age, Justin showed a remarkable talent for music. He taught himself to play the drums, the piano, the guitar, and even the trumpet. Music was not just a hobby for him, it was his escape, his passion, and the way he connected with the world. Friends and family recall that even as a little boy, he had rhythm in his heart and a spark in his eyes. At the age of 12, Justin entered a local talent competition in Stratford. He didn't win first place, but he did something far more important. He captured attention. His mother began posting videos of him singing on YouTube. Simple home recordings of covers like Ne Yo's, So Sick, and Chris Brown's, With You. They were never meant for fame, but they would soon change his life forever. One day, talent manager Scooter Braun stumbled across those videos. Intrigued by the young boy's voice and charisma, he reached out to Patty. And before long, Justin was on a plane to Atlanta, Georgia. There, he met music legends including Usher, who saw something special in him. By 2008, Justin had signed his first record deal, and his life as he knew it would never be the same. In 2009, Justin released his debut single, One Time, a song that instantly captured the hearts of teenagers around the world. His first album, My World, was released soon after, and with it came the rise of a global star. The boy from Stratford became a household name almost overnight. With his signature hair flip and warm smile, he was adored by millions of fans who called themselves Beliebers. In 2010, Justin's single, Baby, exploded onto the charts. Though it became one of the most viewed and debated songs on YouTube, it cemented him as a cultural phenomenon. He wasn't just a singer. He was a global sensation, with sold-out tours, magazine covers, and fans camping outside his hotels just for a glimpse. But fame, especially at such a young age, came with challenges. Justin faced intense media scrutiny, public breakups, and the pressure of growing up in the spotlight. His relationship with Selena Gomez was adored by fans but also dissected by tabloids. As he entered his late teens, the weight of fame began to show. There were controversies, run-ins with the law, and moments of rebellion. The world watched as he stumbled, and many wondered if he would recover. Yet, true to his resilient spirit, Justin refused to be defined by mistakes. In 2015, he released the album Purpose, a turning point in his career. Songs like Sorry, What Do You Mean, and Love Yourself topped charts worldwide, earning him respect not only as a pop idol, but as a serious artist who had matured and evolved. The album became a declaration of growth, forgiveness, and self-discovery. Justin's journey wasn't just about music, it was also about finding himself. Through struggles with mental health, public pressure, and the search for peace, he leaned on his faith, his family, and eventually, the love of his life, Hailey Baldwin. Their marriage in 2018 marked a new chapter for Justin, one of stability, commitment, and healing. In the years that followed, Justin continued to create albums like Changes in 2020 and Justice in 2021 reflected his honesty, his struggles, and his determination to inspire others through music. He began speaking openly about his battles with anxiety and depression, showing the world that even global superstars are human. His vulnerability only deepened the connection with fans who had grown up with him. From the streets of Stratford to the stages of the world, Justin Bieber's life story is more than fame and fortune. It is a story of dreams realized, mistakes overcome, and lessons learned. It is about resilience, love, and the power of music to bring people together. Today, Justin stands not only as one of the most successful artists of his generation, but also as a symbol of growth and transformation. His journey reminds us that behind every headline is a human being, and behind every superstar is a story of struggle, hope, and redemption. This is Justin Bieber's life, a journey from a small-town boy with a big dream to a global icon whose voice continues to inspire millions around the world.